Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh man. So I think somebody said it's a trap. Yeah. So this would be the area, guys. Remember, I'm not showing trades. We're in a competition here, obviously, right? But I am talking you through some stuff that we're kind of looking at on the chart here, chat.
Yo, yo, yo. What's popping?
Exactly. Yep.
So we getting this move up. It's 9:41. About to get the
Spiral
15-minute candle
exactly.
close here.
You gotta listen, guys. You gotta listen to what I'm actually
Been
telling you,
rocketing up
right?
here. Hourly just got that rocket through. The daily's kind of above here, so let's look for a nice setup here.
So 2 minutes 45 seconds left on this candle. Do they hold the ORB, guys? Minute 20 seconds left. 30,426 is the area of interest here.
I mean, we look very strong. All-time highs. I had to be careful. Okay, 15-minute candle. Here we go. Last 10 seconds. How do we close? Oh, you gotta love that. Oh, you gotta love that. Now they forcing me to go against trend. Nah, we're not doing that.
goes above. Now what happens, right? You're kind of looking to see. All right, 15-minute ORB set here, chat. We're going to move this up to the ORB. 15-minute chart, right? So I mean, you just kind of get mixed reaction here, guys, right? So this is the 15-minute ORB, though, so you need to watch that. High was 462 even, and you're getting a pullback now, so that's not looking too hot. You need to get back above the ORB here, guys, for continuation. You do that, and this is it, right?
Got 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Just pushing.
All right, so that was 30,492, guys. Bottom of the box is 493. Obviously, the top of the box is 500. So pretty close. I mean, you got within 8 points so far. A lot of time left. It's only 9:49, guys, right? So there's a lot of time left.
Hourly closes here in about 10 minutes. Did we get it set up? Oh, hour and 4-hour closes in 10 minutes. So yeah, we most definitely probably getting it set up.
kind of tap inside the box there. Getting a pullback now. The high of the candle was so far 493. So another pullback.
This is the best, I swear. This is the absolute best. I love this. I absolutely love this. This is the best price action right here. I put a stop to all this shit with one fucking sale. Like one mini, one micro, or whatever it is.
All right, so 30,499. If you took the longs, you got paid. Drop a W in the chat. You gotta love it.
If you took the longs,
Oh,
you
man.
got paid. You don't fucking say. Thank you for that information. I appreciate that. I mean, I don't even know what I would do without it. I think it say if you took the long, you got paid.
Oh.
Well,
yeah, you gotta listen today, chat.
well, what else could you have possibly have done with fucking 4 straight 5-minute goddamn candles in a row going straight up in the goddamn air?
You know, that person
Barely wicking the goddamn, barely wicking the fucking previous top. Like, you're not even in no drawdown. And if you took the long, you're up. Thanks for that. I almost didn't see it.
Somebody said something about Iran. I'm not sure on that, chat. I mean, you would have to pull that up. I mean, I feel like there's stuff every day that's kind of coming out. So who knows?
I remember when they said we wasn't going to break past these highs right here. I remember that in January they was talking about this was the top. I remember that. January 26th, November last year. Yeah, they were saying we not passing this next year. I remember that. I remember that. You know how the times has fucking changed instantly.
PW plus new money in round 3. You know the vibes.
Fucking.
You got PW in the chat, guys.
I want to put it into this shit, but I'm not. I don't want to be the one to catch the fucking wick.
He said, "Where's all the other streamers at?" Oh man. That's right.
I'm just gonna wait till the next hourly. We might just get what we got on the 15 minute.
30,500.
Boom, boom. So who fucking knows? I don't even know. All I do know is it's never this sweet when I'm in. That's all I do know. That's why I'm gonna just start getting in. I'm gonna just start getting in this shit because I thought about it. I thought about it when we open up the 15 minutes, just getting in, fuck it, and then what? Man.
Here we go. There's always somebody, guys.
Fucking
shout out to PW in the chat, racing and getting it done, guys. So you gotta love it.
Man, it was just no pullback. This would happen. This happened at 44. Like this didn't happen at 45. This happened at 44. Like before the candle even goddamn closed.
10 o'clock candle. Going into the 10 o'clock hour, closing out the 9 o'clock 1 hour candle.
I didn't even see what I was talking about, but I was talking about this. This happened at 44.
Kind of like a battle here, right at that 500 level. We know that's a nice kind of like level, guys. Everybody's kind of eyeing it, right? They're like, oh, 500. But if we can kind of get the momentum going, we talked about this pre-market that we did have a lot of bullish momentum on the daily chart, guys. That bullish pin bar candle closure with that nice bottom wick closing out yesterday, right? So that's a thought process here. So got about a minute 35 seconds for the current candle to close out. 1 hour candle is crazy bullish. Chat. I mean, that's crazy low rate, right?
Now you want to put it into it at 510? Like fuck no, bro. Should have put it into that shit at like 570s.
So ideally, we are above all.
I mean, at 470 at the latest. All this shit, get all this shit off my goddamn screen. Fuck.
Hit the box. And let this candle close out and then see how we, do we go from there? Does the next candle open up and need to form some kind of wick and then continuation? That's the question. You got Apex right now, chat. 90% off using the code PW. They got 5 packs available now. You can get 5 trailing drawdown accounts and a 5-pack for $95, guys. Crazy.
All right. I'm putting it into this shit. I'm putting it into this shit. I'm putting it into this shit right now. Fuck it. Fuck it. This shit not going out a fucking dollar more without my ass.
But is that going to continue, or we're going to get some kind of wick put in?
I got one mini, so I just knew it was eventually, as soon as I got in, it was going to turn red. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, actually.
Wow.
See if we can get 40.
lot of bullish momentum here, chat. Nice bottom wick on the
We
current
get
5-minute
40
candle.
right here, or are we gonna get the turn
right
here?
up. Gonna open up the new 1-hour candle. So this is that right new candle bottom wick put in, and they just took off to the upside here.
Order filled.
Somebody said no pullback, lasted right through it. Yeah, I mean, you got the ORV high, Chad, 30,462. So we know that.
Told you I had to put it into that shit, bro.
And you got the rapid expansion. That's just what it is. So now you're kind of waiting to see how this plays. If you haven't already, guys, do me a solid, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. You got to get to 2,000 likes, guys. We've had that streak rolling for weeks on weeks, months at this point, to be honest, on the morning show. So do your boy a solid. We got over 4,500 people tuned into the show, guys. It's Friday. He's out here trying to make a little money. You know, we got the Tradeify Grand Cup competition going on, and that person follows me on X. So got to be a little strategic here, because obviously if they follow me on X, they know that I stream obviously out of the BDH. So
No.
this market is crazy euphoric, oil pumping, bad news, and still up. Yeah, I mean, it's like that sometimes.
Nah, bro.
It's like that sometimes, chat. You want to make sure that you are here this afternoon, guys. We got the CEO of Tradeify stopping by. Afternoon show's coming up at 2 p.m., 2 p.m. to 4. That's right. Sounds like he's going to be giving out some accounts. So you definitely want to make sure you are here, locked and loaded for the afternoon show. Make no mistake about it. You got Brett Simba here, CEO of Tradeify, coming up in the afternoon. Andre, did I miss any trades? Well, I mean, you missed, obviously, the market had a expansion here to the upside. So if you're just coming to your computer or phone to trade right now, you definitely missed some volatility here. But the good news is it's only 10:04, so there's a ton of time left. Make no mistake about it. So, you know, will we get some kind of pullback now based off the higher time frame 1-hour chart, deeper retracement down before going higher, chat? That's the question. My luck, we just raised 30 points. Digging into that previous 5-minute candles wick here, chat. 30,498 was the low of the previous candle. Kind of digging into it.
funny in the hood like that.
Order filled.
Oh, I put a stop to it. Now I'm about to go the other way. Fuck it.
Order filled.
This what type of day it's gonna be. This what type of day it's gonna be.
Just broke that low. Got the ORB sitting at 462 here.
Order filled.
It's no way all the momentum just stopped right here, right?
Think it's time for some pullback. Yeah, we're gonna find out. So the reason why I'm saying that, guys, the 1 hour chart, right? We know that you got quite the range there. If you got to map this out, just to have it in the back of your mind, we tapped off the 14 EMA, had a push back up, about 185 point push to the upside here, and you know that's a decent
Oh
size
my
candle.
fucking
Right now, you
gosh,
got
bro. I mean, you're
the
shitting me,
bottom
bro.
wick is fairly small, right? We popped the previous candle's high already. So I think, yeah, got to be smart. Kind of let this kind of formulate a little bit, right? Kind of show it.
It was too late to the fucking party. Now it doesn't want to do anything. Should have been jumped in. Done waiting though. Fuck that shit. Waiting don't get your ass shit. Tell you that
Order
much.
filled.
Hanging out right at 30,500. $30,400 maybe. How do you like that top candle on the 5 minute? How do you like that top candle on the 5 minute? Oh, you mean like the closure of it? Yeah. I mean, you're kind of watching it, guys.
439.
Obviously, we had a pretty decent move. So you're watching it now to see if we got a deeper pullback coming here to the outside. Mike says, let's get the likes up. Where are we at with the likes, chat? We hit 2,000 plus likes every day this week, guys. We're at 1,300 likes. Do your boy a solid. We got 4,300 people tuned into the show. I know there's people out there that have not hit the like button. So we got some work to do there, chat. Hook me up with a like. If you're not subscribed, you know the vibes. We rock out Monday through Friday, no later than 9 a.m. trying to make a little money. So yeah, I mean, you have the EMA 5 minute chart sitting at 30,437 here, chat. So do we need more downside here? Put in some kind of higher low to head higher. D, show us your entries, please. We're not making money. Sebastian, yeah, maybe you're not making money, but I literally talked through the TP area of did I not talk through the TP area, guys? Of 500 getting hit? Am I missing something here, chat? Did we not talk about 500? I had literally had it mapped out with 2 arrows.
Trying to see if we get this VWAP touch.
And we just talked about.
That was 450.
The 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart. So oh man, you gotta love it, guys, right? We knew it was coming. Somebody Craig a little Ray Ray here.
I should have had 450.
Us man, Amando.
Especially against like with
306.
against
No.
the trend here is
What are you
crazy.
saying
I ain't
no
gonna
about?
lie.
Let's check your channel activity. Hey, good morning. How are you? Yeah, you guys got to remember, chat. All right, so you had a tap basically of the 14 EMA, right? We talked through that. I mean, you had levels mapped out to 500 because that's a psychological number, chat. And if the momentum's going to continue to the upside, there's a high probability that 30,500 was a level of interest to get hit, right? That's just how price moves. So
Order filled.
that's just how it is, guys. But I'm in the Tradeify competition chat, and the person that I'm trading against today follows me on X, so I will not be obviously kind of flipping
Order
over and
filled.
showing what I'm trading that account, what I'm entering and exiting, because they have an unfair advantage, guys. If that's the case, right? They know that I stream, so you got to be smart here, chat. But I'm still literally talking you through what I'm looking at. So oh, sneaky, yeah. Yeah, that's the thing, because yesterday, guys, when I saw the reason why I know that is because when I saw like the obviously that I advanced, he tagged me or something on X and was saying, "Oh, ready for the next round." And I clicked on his X page and it says that he follows me. So he follows me on X, chat. So I'm not going to give him obviously an unfair advantage, right? And to be honest, I'm still giving him an unfair advantage because I'm a streamer, right? And he literally could be just tuned in and kind of listening or whatever. You know what I mean? That's just how it is. But I'm not going to just hand it to the guy and flip over and show, you know what I mean? Like, no way. So I believe he's probably in the chat, to be honest, chat, guys. So you got to be strategic here.
$456.
That's true and all, but you're money. You're still gonna win, even if they see what you're doing. That's not necessarily the case, guy. He had a what was he up $350? PW. I think PW's trolling, guys. He's saying he blew his account, his Trader Cup account. PW's trolling. We know PW's trolling, guys. This is momentum. We know he's trolling.
Order filled.
Did PW win his round yesterday? Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, he won the round, chat. We both advanced.
So we got that
so we are
pop down there.
in the battle right now.
Now we're probably going further now to the VWAP.
He's trolling you in the chat, trying to shake you out. LOL. Well, yeah. Remember, chat. I'm not competing against PW. I'm competing against my own person, right? I think his name is MC Money something or Mike underscore Money or something like that. So yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I'm having a rough time here too, guys. So I don't know if today's gonna be the day for D Money. I'm just saying. So Mike underscore money. I mean, let me get a loan if you get the 5K. I mean, I know I got 5K yesterday, but we, Jerome stole it. So Jerome Jerome stole the 5K chat. So Mike underscore money. If you win the if you take me out today, sir, let me hold something. I'm not now. I can't guarantee that I'm going to pay you back because Jerome has somehow got access to my account and woke up this morning, guys. Saw an alert that I had a withdrawal of $5,000, and you know I'm still trying to do the math on that. So insurance for the G-Wag. Yeah. So all right, 30,428 chat. We're below the 14 EMA here. 1 hour chart, right? You can see the pullback kind of in play to the downside. Make no mistake about it. All right. Healthy pullback here, guys. Shout out to James. James is always tipping, guys. We appreciate that. You don't have to do that, but I appreciate it. He said, okay, $2 tip. You'll get him next time. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I'm a little nervous, chat, because I did not. I'm not on my A game here, so you know. PW told me if I don't advance, I'm gonna get fired, chat. So I'm a little nervous, to be honest. So hey, hey, either way, guys, if this is my last stream, because PW gives me the can, hey, I appreciate the support. I love you. I love you. James the Beach, it's been nice knowing you, man. Just like that, huh? Somebody said back to Walmart. Yeah, I would not be going back to Walmart. But uh, PW said D Money and I going to the finals. Then I beat him and I fire him. Wow. You see what I got to deal with, chat? You got Jerome having a key to the BDH. PW said that Ginger probably gave him the key. Ginger saying that she did not give him a key. So, I mean, what does D Money do at this point, chat? Because there's just some finger pointing going on, but nobody's taking accountability for the guy continuing to show up here and lock me in the bathroom. That is kind of like borderline harassment, guys. Who do I talk to about treatment, unfair treatment here at the BDH? I mean, I think that definitely qualifies as cray cray with Lil Ray Ray. In between both EMAs here, guys, 14 and 50 EMA. You got the low put in 30,392.50. So this is a new 5-minute candle. Some kind of like selling pressure stepping in here off the highs. Let's kind of measure that retracement out. About 144 points, which is healthy, chat, right? That is healthy. So let's see how this plays. Do the bulls step back in here with momentum to take us higher? think a key indication would be if that EMA holds up, right? 30,435, 5-minute chart. Can they hold us above that 14 EMA?
No.
If you haven't already, guys, do me a solid, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, you know the vibes. You got Tradeify right now, 40% off. Using the code PW, you're able to bundle 5 accounts, guys, and save more money. So that's the way to go, in my opinion. And why not? We got Brett Simba coming up here this afternoon on the afternoon show, 2 to 4. So we will have the CEO of Tradeify in the building. That's right. So you want to make sure you're here, chat, because we're going to try to squeeze them for some accounts. Make no mistake about it. We can't let them come in here and leave without giving away some accounts to the chat. So we got you covered. Don't you worry.
I low-key want to try this long here.
Well, that's who I need to be talking to right now.
But I feel like
you're in the chat because
we ain't get that fake out yet.
I'm under distress here. D-Money's under distress, chat.
Like that fall below V to really get the shorts, you know? They like to really fuck you. They like to really get up in there. Get up in there. And I don't think they did it just yet. Because all we did was bounce out the VWAP.
There's 30,440 guys that EMA is kind of holding up at the moment. You got 2 minutes.
So now you got to get the people who thinking that we're bouncing off the VWAP to be wrong.
Pretty aggressively here. Question is, can they hold it there and close? You got 2 minutes to find out. So we look at
which would enable the shorts again to be like, oh, that one failed at the VWAP, so we must be going below the VWAP. And then that's the circle. Now everybody's sucked in.
So
they got the shorts thinking that they were able to fall below the VWAP, and they got the longs thinking that this area is not going to hold.
Is this some kind of higher?
So they got they stop at the 400.
A higher low being put in. Got some lows here right off the ORB. ORB high of 30,364.75, and then now you got this level here.
Like they like to really
in the short term,
like
you know, you would have to imagine that the bulls will want us to not flush the low of this previous candle, 392.50. Right, kind of build up some structure to go higher. Tony Rod 2023, just be yourself, D Money. Oh yeah, Tony Rod. D Money can't be anybody other than D Money. So
we got 35 minutes left too, so we got a long ass time. I don't even know if we're gonna do it in this candle. It would honestly work better if we did it in the next one, to be honest.
I mean, I got
to be honest.
So you know, integrated the comedy kind of.
But do we chop for 30 minutes?
Because that's one of my things that I love doing, guys. I love going to comedy shows and I love comedy in general. So didn't really see a lot of people doing that in the space. So I felt like there was an opportunity, and unfortunately, it has backfired on me because Jerome is not leaving, guys. I mean, how did Jerome get? And that's another thing. I hope PW is still in the chat. How did Jerome get on D Money's YouTube thumbnail? Like, how was Jerome there? I mean, if you guys really think about that, isn't that a little? I mean, that is unbelievable, chat. So first he got his own merchandise. The guy has his own hotline to call in and ask questions. Now he's literally on my thumbnail for YouTube, chat. You were very funny. I enjoy you and PW. Hey, we appreciate the kind words. All right, we did not hold up that previous candle low, chat.
So this is more like it. Now everybody's thinking short.
Basically right off the ORB. A lot of selling pressure kind of stepping into
this is more like it. But we still got 34 minutes left.
To the opening range.
I want to take that. Because, I mean, that'll be a... Nope, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. See, it's all about being... It's all about the timing. I'm telling you, it's all about the timing. Ooh. like a V shape up there. Daily don't look that good now, do it? Look like shit now. 4 hour about to engulf. God damn.
ORB low there, chat. 30,364.75 got taken out. So we retraced the whole entire, basically. Now the low here sitting at
like, what does this mean?
7.75. That's the next level, right? That's basically the pump.
What does this mean exactly?
To the upside. So, but there's a lot.
Like
of
when we consolidate and then like we bounce and then we get that whole bounce back up in the next candle. Like, what does that mean though? Similar to this. How we kind of like, we pushed up. This is more upward, but same thing, pushed up and then we gave it back. This is just more sideways. Still upward, but more sideways. All right, big push here. Watch the 1 minute. Do I take that wick? Yeah, I'm taking that wick. I'm taking that wick. I'm taking that wick. We just engulfed on the 1 minute.
I mean, quite the push right back up.
My stop is the bottom of that wick.
Off that daily candle, basically level. Crazy push.
At 340. If we go below 345, they can most definitely have it. Almost.
All right.
We're not done yet. If we're gonna push, we're gonna have to push. Got to get above 410.
30,405. What a crazy bottom wick. Nice bottom wick on the current 5-minute candle. We got about a minute left. Close this thing out. Shout out to.
We give the wick back. It's A-okay with me. I'm not even gonna lie.
Teak_cook65.
Because we gotta fly.
Do that, but I appreciate it. Done for the day, up 7,200. Thanks for the guidance. You have changed my trading for sure. Oh man, wow. Hey, shout out to your dog as well. We know Ginger enjoys that, so shout out to your dog as well for making your profile your aviator there. So hey.
I don't know. It's just the hourly has so much time left. The 15-minute looks a little better, and it has about 15 seconds left.
All right, about 8 seconds left. How do you use the indicator? What indicator are you referring to, Rooney? You got to be a little bit more specific there. Got some things on my chart. So what indicator are you referring to? EMAs, the measuring tool, like what are you specifically kind of talking about? The one which is on the chart. All right, 30,004.
Try to get this 444 level. Because realistically, we have to break that if we're going to change this around here.
30-minute candle, right? This is the new 30-minute candle. So look at the previous candle.
411. Yeah, because you don't want no fall down here. You need to keep pushing. We ain't break no high yet.
A lot of bearish engulfing candle, guys. 30-minute chart, previous candle, right? Bearish engulfing. So kind of looking to see how price reacts here. We just had obviously a crazy bounce off of basically yesterday's daily candles high of 30,344. Just had to make sure I got that right. Right, 30,344.50. Yesterday's daily candle high had a bullish reaction off of that level.
Trying to get above the 5-minute EMA here, and we cannot. We cannot. That's not good.
D, you gotta admit the one on the chart was hilarious. Yeah, it's man, it's every day there's somebody, man. It's like it's crazy. Guys. So if you go to indicators, I have, and you put in EMA, that's technically an indicator, right? Or strategy or whatever. So I don't have, right? I got 3 EMAs on my chart. And these up here are actually like tools that I use to trade, right? Measuring tools. I don't really use fib anymore. I need to take that off because I don't use it. But obviously, I draw the rectangles, etc. But you know, that's what I'm saying. You got to be a little bit more specific. Up 900. Only need 250 to pass my TPT. I'm done for the day. Thanks, D Money. Hey, Tony Creech, you did all the work. I appreciate the $5 tip, though. You didn't have to do that.
This pretty much break even at this point. If we're going to give this whole kind of wick back without making no high, it's going to be tough for me to stay in this. I'm not going to lie. We're still kind of falling down here. So, what's up, babe? Now we need a gigantic push here. Need a gigantic push at the end of this minute candle. Let me get one of them 10-second motherfuckers I'll be doing.
So 408, guys. Will it hold, or are we going to get a crazy retracement right back down? That's the question. We're in the middle of the EMAs.
$393. Come on, give me a nice push here.
Technically is an area of consolidation.
Okay, is that the high break that we're looking for? There we go. There we go. Mario. Mario.
Top of the range, 30,462 here, chat.
Mario.
That looks like a V.
Check the hourly.
Order filled.
I take a little bet right there. Really couldn't get that 444. What did we end up getting out at? 25? Okay. Yeah, I didn't want to give that back. There's no point of
on this 1 hour
giving that back. It really ain't.
The pullback right back down, chat.
Especially when it might be the setup might be the next candle here.
Yeah, you got
23 minutes left on the hourly. We do got that nice bottom wick, but
23 minutes, 54 seconds here. So
That doesn't always necessarily mean anything when we can't break
So
this high. We
far,
needed to break this high right here
strong rejection
immediately,
off of
like
that 438
push up,
level
break
right
this
back
high, and
down.
then start
That's
forming some
a
type of
pretty
area
stiff retracement here,
of
Chad, of 56 points. So
support, but couldn't get above there.
yeah, so money underscore Mike, if you're out there, hey, just throwing it out there now. Let me get a loan.
End up taking how much on that last one? 260. Not that bad. I guess I was up like 300 slippage.
D-Money, no trades in the Grand Cup yet. Michael, yeah. Michael, you might. Michael, you're.
Well, we kind of pretty much got this first move that we're going to get. We got the first move. Now we're pretty much waiting on the second move to set up. We got the pretty much the wick to like this high, but we got to break a high now. And it could be happening just after this next
Nope. Oh, okay.
This next hourly here.
Yeah, we don't know about that though. I see some of your channel activity. Looks like you were supporting Denny as well in the past about the basketball. So we don't know. You could be a foe. we gotta be cautious today.
Oh man.
The update comes out at 12, guys. I didn't take trades obviously overnight or anything, so update comes out at 12. Bears stepping back in with aggression.
Getting that wick back here.
Right back down, chat. So that is not great news for the Bulls. 80-point retracement here.
Is that the low? Can we try that? Damn, I want to try that.
Danny, he knows who's going to win. Come on, sir. Come on, sir.
Not yet. Not it. Not it. Not it. Not it. I'm feeling like we gotta wait till this next hourly. I'm really feeling like that.
All right, right back at that ORB,
So,
chat, right?
I'll be back.
That's the ORB
Give
low.
me a second, because I don't think we're gonna be able to do nothing with this till then.
Yeah,
Got 5 minutes left on the 15 minute.
Downside. I think PW's trolling, guys. On his you guys know PW, man. PW's trolling on his next account. Oh man.
All right. Okay. Pop that wick. Okay. 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 Okay.
All right. Yeah. All right. So read between the lines here, chat.
The daily got a nasty ass indecision.
You lost 14 and 50 MA, and you lost the opening range low, right? So sitting at 30,341. Respond to Brett Simba's message above. Yeah, you got Simba in here. Yeah. Oh man. D Money, I heard that the sheriff is on to you today, looking for that bounty. Man, yeah. Lee.
Yeah, chat. We're dropping here. Engulf pretty much that last candle. Interesting.
So, oh man, yeah, it's I'm not doing great. Simba, the counts, I'm in the red here. So, I mean, if they, hey, shout out to what's the guy? We got to switch over there, guys, and see. We know the next update doesn't come out until 12, but we're gonna have to switch over. You got Brett Simba coming up here this afternoon. Make no mistake about it, guys. The afternoon show. We get started at 2, and he'll be on at some point after that today. Make no mistake about it. We're gonna try to Simba, while we got you in the chat, hey, we told the chat to hound you for some free accounts, sir. So I'm sure you're gonna come well prepared. The chat is very aggressive. One time somebody showed up here at the BDH and they pressed the money because they didn't get their account. So make sure maybe you got some football gear on coming into the BDH today, and we'll make sure that everything's copacetic around here. We got you covered. Hey, chat. Did we not? If you're not, I mean,
you heard me. I stopped talking shit.
Nah. I just heard you screaming. I was like, who the hell are you talking to?
Drop a W in the chat. You got
I thought you was on the phone.
You got paid, guys. Drop a W in the chat. Come on, man.
You got that just going.
Just tap the box. So you gotta
put them out. I'm like, right. Y'all know then y'all had to leave. What y'all waiting on?
Right.
They wait till the police escorted them out. Like y'all in space.
So right now, we know, chat, you got traded 5 accounts, 40% off using the code PW. If you bundle 5 accounts, you save more money. That's right. And I think, yeah, I mean, this is she gone.
She gone.
Jesus.
I mean, hey. Wow.
How do I do it? I want to do it, Mom.
Look at the 1-hour chart, guys. Look at the 1-hour candle.
I'm really about to
Right.
Look at the 1-hour candle, chat.
Go to the gym.
Do me a solid. I saw a lot of W's in the chat. We got to get to 2,000 likes, guys. We've got 2,000 likes on the stream. Rocking out with the money in the morning time. So do me a solid. Hit the like button if you haven't already. We're sitting at 1,600 likes, guys. We got 3,800 plus people tuned into the show. You just kind of banging short if you listen. If you listen to the commentary, you got paid. So do me a solid, hit the like button if you're not subscribed. You know the vibes. We rock out Monday through Friday, no later than 9 a.m. trying to make a little money. All right, so somebody said they went long. Yeah, well, you faded me, right? You faded D Money's. You faded D Money's box here, and you faded D Money's arrow. And What can I tell you? Use the code PW. You know the vibes. Real quick, guys, let's do this. So let's break down. We will talk about this later when we got obviously Simba in the building, but yeah, so this was the right. So we know the updates coming here, guys. I did not trade. I did not trade this morning or overnight chat, right? So this was the 8 o'clock update. You got the 12 o'clock update coming up. Tradify Grand Cup, make no mistake about it. So I was down, kind of starting a little depressed here as well because D Money's not putting his best foot forward, guys, today. So it's not looking too hot for me. But the reality is that I was already down to start off today because make underscore money decided that they wanted to trade pre-market. So what do you know? They're already up. They had a lead on me of $289, chat. So that is so $300 hole basically to start off, and you add in a couple bad trades, and you got PW saying I'm gonna get fired if I don't advance, guys. That's a lot of pressure on D Money. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen here, to be honest. So we got the update coming up at 12. And we will definitely keep you posted. You got 40% off all Tradify accounts using the code PW. You guys know the vibes. So let me cover this really quick. Chat. You got 3 options with Tradify, right? We want to cover this just so you kind of know. If you haven't rocked out with Tradify yet, well, you're making a mistake because one of the best firms in the game. So you got 3 options here, guys. You got growth, select, and lightning accounts. So lightning is basically it's your instant funded accounts, right? Everybody wants to know, hey, D Money, what account do you think is the best one? I personally kind of gravitate towards the select accounts, chat, right? But you got options here. Now, the select account, it's gonna take you 3 days because you got a 40% consistency rule, right? Make no mistake about it. So, however, once you do that and you get funded, you got 2 options, guys. You can do daily payouts or 5-day payouts, right? So you got daily option or flex option.
Okay.
Flex option give you
Got 10 minutes left here. Getting a
right.
wick
So
here
if
at
I
the
go to the
bottom
50K
as
account,
of right
because that's the
now.
accounts I typically trade, you're able to take out max payout on the daily, right? If you choose to go daily, $1,000 daily, right? Flex
Kind of just took out all these lows
max payout
here.
3,000. You got to trade out this in 5 days. So no consistency there. So I love that, guys.
But we're below the VWAP now. So now that we're really below the VWAP,
if you go daily, you do have a daily loss limit on
kind
the
of switches
of $1,000, chat. So keep that in mind. There's no DOL daily loss limit when you go.
Really, we're still in the range, but
If you're one of those traders and you're just adamant about passing in 1 day, then you need to go with the growth account because you're able to pass in 1 day, chat.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take that.
Right, you got 3,000 same profit target here, guys. $3,000 daily loss.
Just engulfed there.
No
Got
consistency
back
rule
above that zone
in that
there,
valuation stage. You're able to reset that as well.
which
Once
really
you're
doesn't
funded,
too much
it's
mean
5
nothing right
days
now, I guess.
for
But we're gonna
payout.
see.
You can get
Just
5
broke out of
accounts,
that
which is
last
pretty standard
5-minute
now, standard. Consistency is at 35%.
what's the name there? So
Bad at
we'll
all.
see.
You do have a DLL of 1250, guys. So just kind of keep that in mind. And your max total drawdown is $2,000.
Right now.
Tradify 40% off using the code PW. If you package 5, that's the best 5, right? You get the best deal.
Could have been a little early.
D Money not locked in is like a fish that can't swim.
What?
John deep money is locked in. So I don't know what you're smoking or drinking or whatever the case may be, but I'm covering an account. So it's always funny, guys, how people they want you to talk trading 24/7. They don't want you to talk about anything else, and then if you don't do that, you're not locked in. So we're clearly in a trading competition, sir.
It's the
So
hourly. What in the fuck?
crazy pop here, chat.
Trying to get back above the VWAP here on the 5-minute. We need that. 334.
Mr. 45 special, am I green? Yeah, I can't disclose that. Right, had a rough morning.
Ooh.
So
Tricky spot. We gotta be going 45. This gotta be the first one. 40. This gotta be the first one.
I mean, look at this 5-minute candle, guys. Right back to, I mean, 90 point pop. Trump tweeted.
Wow. Can't say I ain't catch one of them 5-minute motherfuckers now, huh?
Crazy price action this morning. Yeah, I know. I was negative 1,700 to negative 65. I'm coming back. Yeah, I mean,
We need that 40 break here. Because without that, it's just another push up.
negative K to 174. All right, so let's see what news came out, chat. And was that an X post or where did he post that? Truth Social or? Truth?
40 seconds left. No way.
Wow. Yeah.
No way.
Wow.
Order filled.
No fucking way. No
Yeah, really
fucking
right
way. No way. Never mind. I did not catch one of them 5-minute motherfuckers.
I will be meeting now in the situation.
Wow. What a fucking candle that was.
Iran must agree that they would never have a nuclear weapon or bomb.
Order filled.
Strait must be open, no tolls for unrestricted shipping traffic in both directions. All water mines, bombs, if any, will be terminated. We have removed through detonation. Wow. Yeah, guys, this is pretty deep here, to be honest. So they're meeting in the situation room apparently. Wow.
This is the push of Hellersdale. Ah, got stuck again. We gotta break these highs, bro.
Gotta be aware here, chat. Some volatility stepping into the market based off of obviously Trump's ex post there. So Somebody said get ready for the short.
Order filled.
Probably just got faked out there.
All right,
Order
we're sitting at
filled.
1,700 likes, guys. Do me a solid. We need less
Come
than
on,
300
give me
to get
this
2,000
push.
likes. We got 3,700 people tuned in, so we know that we got 300 people out there that have not hit the like button. So hook your boy up with a like. If you're not subscribed, you know the vibes. Somebody said they were down negative 300. Now they're up 800. Quite the volatility, Chad. I mean, I'll say that. I mean, you gotta look at that bottom wick on the current 1 hour candle, guys. Wow. Under like 15-point bottom wick. All right, we're gonna do the weather report. Got the 1 hour candle closing out here in less than 2 minutes, so we got you covered with the weather report. If you thought I forgot, you're highly mistaken, Chad.
Order filled.
So the current temperature
Took a little loss there.
Cloudy.
About $66.
The high today is going to be 89.
That was about how many points?
It was raining overnight last night as well, guys.
9 points.
So the low
11 points.
overnight was 75 degrees. Looks like we're going to have a little bit of sunshine mixed in with some cloudiness coming up here at 11 o'clock, 11 to 12. Back to cloudy, 1 to 3 here. Got canceled.
We needed that push up, bro.
So not looking too hot here, right? From a weather.
I can't believe that 5-minute wick came all the way back. That was crazy.
Today you got sunset. So that is your weather forecast brought to you by the BDH and D Money. You gotta love it.
$25 seconds left. Holy fuck. We might be going down too now. We're rejecting the VWAP from the top side. That's not good.
We will see new lows again. And
That's how the VWAP look on the other chart, which really ain't the best.
Gotta find out.
Trying to see if we're going to go down.
You would imagine there's going to be some kind of update, right? Over meeting in the situation room. Do they give another update on that? I mean, like, what, right? I think.
Push up VWAP and then reject. It's getting lower highs on the 1 minute though.
Somebody just got in here saying, are y'all in a trade? My goodness, come on. Oh, boy.
You got to take it.
Order filled.
All right, you're getting kind of notice what's happening here, guys.
Order filled.
I really want to do buys.
Got a high, lower high at the moment, right? So
Order filled.
It's early though. Fuck. Need a nice wick. Need a nice wick. And we need to go. We cannot go right here. Can't go right here.
So this is a level of interest kind of sitting up here that needs to get obviously taken out. More than likely for continuation, chat, right? Has to happen. So these, but right now it's kind of like lower high, lower high, lower high. Today nobody's been topped out. Yeah, I didn't give anybody a timeout yet, but now that you said that, you've opened up a can of worms. So thank you for doing that. So if you missed it, chat, Trump just released an X post. Basically, they are meeting in the Situation Room in regards
Order
to Iran,
filled.
chat. So this is very serious.
I think we going down, chat.
You had a pop here on the release of that news back to the 14 EMA off the lows. I mean, you're talking 125-point pop. Now we're just kind of hanging out right below the EMAs, right below that 3.
Kind of just doing dumb shit here at the bottom. I done lost like the last 3 trades, long, short, long. That means I don't have no fucking bias. Means I gotta wait. Means I have to wait.
Oh man, bro! Oh my goodness! Are you kidding me here?
I don't know, bro. It's kind of like we're making new highs, but we're
changed their
below the
name
V
to,
here.
Bra Marius trades NQ. And they put D-Buddy, what's your sign? Asking for a friend, Dude Brawley, man. Yeah, you definitely got a timeout here for violate D-Money. So here you go. Enjoy. Unreal.
Order filled.
All right, so yeah, just kind of waiting here. Need to be careful, guys, with this price action now. But
well, we're rejecting the VWAP, man. I mean, it's kind of simple.
Looking like some selling pressure, trying to step in. To the downside here, chat. Be looking here. Right, that downside pressure continues.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh, come the fuck on. God damn it, bro. Just make a fucking decision here. That's all I'm saying.
It was super bearish.
It always does this shit, bro. Just hurry the fuck up. And then the way it does it, like, okay, for example, look at this. We're rejecting off the V, right, from the top side. So you think, oh,
Yeah,
automatically, oh, this should be going down.
definitely
But
kinda,
no, then you start getting wicks at the fucking bottom. You can't even break the bottom. Then you're like, oh, we got to be going up because we can't hold up. And then it fucking drops again. Like, yeah, fuck
you
that,
can kinda
fuck
do
that,
this, I
fuck
guess,
that,
one of
fuck
two
that,
ways. You can map out
fuck
the
that,
range
fuck that,
that we're
fuck
kinda
that,
in
fuck
right
that,
now,
fuck that.
just based off of the wicks.
Honestly,
Wait for a
though,
break.
like, could just be a shitty day from now on, to be honest. I'm up 200. I'm about to just call it. Because this is the worst situation when you're below the V or above the V and you're not getting no move up or down. Like, it's just right there.
All right, look, babe. I'll be back.
All right, Lee.
Go poop. Go poop in there. Take that tissue out of it.
And if we, yeah, I think, man, you got so much room here, guys.
Man, I didn't try to catch this
That
long how many
previous 1 hour
times?
candles wick
Today. Like,
got so
even
much room.
just today, I've been trying to catch this long probably like 30
Right
times.
here, so you're like, okay, the current candles wick 35 to 60, 25 points. But you might get some kind of attempt to go kind of push up higher, building a higher, building that kind of top wick out, and then maybe continuation down. So I think that's how you look at this, right? Looking for a break of 395 here, chat, right? Break 395, you're targeting obviously up here somewhere.
I don't
If
know.
it loses the bottom of the box, then you're targeting down here. So that's just what it is.
I don't fucking know.
But you got to be careful because obviously the situation that has kind of came out that you got Trump discussing Iran in the situation.
Order filled.
So Trump manipulating the markets again. Hey, oh, crazy, man. I don't think I've ever seen so much though, chat. Right? Like, oh, they better react quick. And then, it's like, oh, well, we got, give them more time. And then, this, that, it's like crazy. It's a lot of back and forth. So I don't know. He literally said to go out and buy socks. How is that legal? You gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. Big Bradley. I apologize, B buddy. Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, we're back above the V. I don't know what else y'all want me to do. I don't know what else to do.
The fact though, right? So, all right, there's the pop through the box, chat.
I've been trying to get this move up to the 440 like 4 different occasions.
first level. Second level.
Check my hourly candle out. Hella time on my hourly candle here.
Somebody said price action is clean today. Yeah, it's clean if your entries are good.
It's clean if your entries are good. I don't even know what the fuck that means. Like, you don't ever even know if your entry's good. You never know if your entry's good till after the fact.
I mean,
and then even after that, you'd be like, I thought it was something it wasn't.
Oprah trades. I know you're getting that money. Can't wait.
Yeah.
Actually,
Big push up.
kind of pulled off of that.
Push it.
Like I
push
don't
to
know
the limit.
kind of like how to play. So that guy,
Yeah,
he's,
we're
he's
in it to win it.
every day, right? So he's
In
made money
it to
every
win
day,
it.
so
Oh yeah.
I just don't know how much he
Push it.
obviously he has
Push it to the limit.
I don't know how much, right? Like is enough today. That's what I'm trying to say, chat. But update comes out at 12, and I mean you'll get your answer.
I want us to hit this 440 and then get like one more beautiful setup to the top. But let's do the first one first. 20 points away.
You're looking confident. I like it. No, I'm not looking confident, guys. I don't. Hey, anything's possible. I don't. He could have a crazy balance and a positive, right? Like I have no idea. What I'm saying is I don't know what is. I'm gonna be strategic based off of what I've seen, but that doesn't mean that like from the previous rounds. But that doesn't mean that that's the case, guys. Right? So he was already up $300.
What's up, Lele?
Because I didn't trade overnight.
MJ?
Pre-market or something. He had to trade those trades before 8 o'clock today. I'll say that.
You need some help?
Because the update came out. E-money don't show any trading competition results until it's over. Yeah, but the thing is, Brave Day, it updates. He's gonna know at 12 o'clock either way. You don't have to show it. Everybody's gonna know at 12 o'clock where they stand, guys.
All right, where we at?
Post it or not.
Uh-oh.
Show it or not.
10 points away.
All right, so hey.
10 points away. We should break this. We should break this with like veracity here.
Mike, we know you're here. Yeah, we know he's here.
Break it with veracity. Break it with veracity here. I need straight veracity. You need another piece, Lele? You could?
All right, so if you guys took the longs there, drop the W in the chat. You got paid. Talked about the break of the box and more continuation. Had another level mapped out here. Somebody's gonna say they didn't know what was going on, but I mean, what do you do? So it's
No way. Are we dealing with this triple top? We TP. Are we dealing with the triple top? Got to come back all the way down to 402. You got to give up 402.
if you haven't already, guys, do me a solid, hit the like button. So we got 1,700 likes, chat. 1,800 now. So we need less than 200 likes. We got 3,600 people rocking out with the VDH. So do me a solid, guys. We got to keep the streak alive. You had another banging trade opportunity there. So on the break of basically the high here, 396, about 40 points. Shout out to SB Berto, K8, done trading for the day. Always a pleasure. Got to say, man, I appreciate you taking the time for all that you do. UNPW rock. Can't forget about Ginger and Denny. Good day, peeps. Hey, we appreciate the kind words.
I'm watching this 402 area.
Miss T718. Took some L's and W's today, walking away with $1,000. Thanks, D Money. Hey, you did all the work. I don't hit by herself for you, but congrats. I'm happy for you.
I guess we're going to break even.
Guys, 50% off 2 accounts. After that goes to 30% off using the code PW. You guys know the vibes.
I want to add right there. Because why not, you know? Copy day.
Let's see, did we get close? Still at 1,800 likes, chat. So come on, man. I know there's people out there that have not hit the like button, chat. And some of you people were dropping W's in the chat, but you didn't drop a like. So come on, man. We need less than 200 likes, guys. We'll be at 2,000. That'll keep us on pace to be at 3,000 plus for the day. You got Brett Simma coming up during that.
I just hope this helps my 2 o'clock. My hold times, you know.
So I'm sure we'll be talking about the.
I just really hope it helps that, you know.
So.
Good job, Lele.
Order filled.
Like I really hope
1,900 likes. So you're getting a bit of a pullback here. Had a bit of a reaction. You draw the box out to the left. The last time we were up here, we had a rejection right back down. So.
It's just, of course, today is the choppy day, you know. Just of course, you know. Like when I have that, look at this, 10 minutes. When I have the hold times, 7 minutes, 4 minutes, they don't fucking do shit. They don't fucking do shit.
Back up.
There's no continuation here. It's always fun.
So a lot of volatility today, guys.
Yeah, I call this the good old fucking boxing one. Yeah, beautiful on Friday, you know. It's almost as beautiful when it happens on Monday.
A lot of volatility.
I gotta see this shit. I gotta see this shit. Cause nah. 15 minute ain't giving me enough justice to see what the fuck I'm dealing with.
Got a nice bottom wick on a 5-minute candle kind of forming out. Does that hold up?
Order filled.
Loss of funded pro account after 7 days. NQ just madness. Some days could have controlled the loss. Got funded on Flex yesterday.
Order filled.
I did not mean to fucking do that.
I mean,
it's all good.
Sometimes we like that.
Probably was a loss anyway.
$30,391. It's like crazy that we're like right at the top of that box again, guys.
Huh.
$200 million, baby. What? All right. Current
Order
bottom of the
filled.
candle, nice bottom.
Who fucking knows at this point? I'm in longs.
Who
Who knows? Nobody fucking knows. Nobody literally knows. Suck my dick. Nobody knows. You just in it. If you're not in it, you're not getting no bread. That's the only thing that's true. You can watch this shit all fucking day, say whatever the fuck, boom bop, it's gonna do that, it's gonna skid a pat pat, do pop. If you don't fucking get in, you ain't making no bread. So fuck it.
10 seconds up on the
Got a wick at the 5 minute just off the VWAP. I mean, instant buy. I don't know why the bitch won't go, but I mean, that should be an instant buy. It's an instant buy. Of course. Of course.
Right back down. Are we waiting for an intro again? Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, Lord.
Gonna take me out at 77. I ain't done with this shit.
Order filled.
Gold was so free today. Money, is this a eat into the previous wick situation? Possibly.
Yo, chat. 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 We got the move, chat. We got the move.
You got about 8 minutes.
I think I end up going to
for
36s.
you
I end
to
up taking
get over-
36s
head on over
here,
to
37s.
onlyplatforms.com/giveaways, chat. We are dropping the names. At
But yeah, man, what the
12:20.
fuck, bro?
Please do
Straight
not say that we
bullshit.
did not give you plenty
Straight
of time. Chat, we said
bullshit.
multiple times, Denny's
Straight
dropped the link
bullshit.
multiple
All the way
times in the
until
chat.
the 12 o'clock candle here
So,
on
make
the
sure you
hourly.
enter
We finally got that push up
onlyplatforms.com/giveaways.
to that
And we
to
got
that
you
area
covered.
here. So
Make no mistake about it.
now we're gone.
You register on
We're going for
giveaways, you
show,
got a
for
chance
show.
to win one of the 10 accounts. We're giving away 10 lucid accounts.
Yeah, bro. What a fucking day, though. I'm not even
And
gonna
then obviously
lie.
this afternoon, guys, you want to make sure you are here because we got the CEO of Tradeify in the building for the afternoon show. That's
So,
right.
yeah.
That Simba's gonna be here. rocking
Yeah,
out.
man. To be honest, bro, it was fucking disgusting. I'm not even gonna
I'm
lie.
told that,
It was absolutely nasty.
he will be coming there.
Do y'all see this chart? What chart y'all looking at?
Make no mistake about it, there'll be some Tradeify account
Bet.
giveaways.
Okay, yeah, this chart, bro. It was ass. It was straight ass.
You gotta love it.
It was straight ass. It was ass, bro. I don't even know how.
Are you in
Like, I don't know why it was this ass, to be honest. But I know that hourly played through. Waited on this hourly candle, and then we finally got that pop.
And the other person. So you did not see it.
But man, did I have some moves? I had this move. I let this one come back down.
You're not in timeout.
I let so many moves come back down, bro.
Reply to chat.
Like, I let so many come back down.
I just hopped in. My bad. Yeah. So yeah, we're
Like, I let so many come back down.
So.
Oh my God! Look at today.
Woo! So,
today was a day. Damn, I got like a page of trades on this hoe. Okay, 29. I got a page of trades. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Maybe he just got here. Yeah, he did.
24.
He said he just got here. So yeah, if you just tuned in, got but the
24 trades, bro.
Here, right? Because it's like you just tuned in and you're trying to it's like crazy.
God damn.
We got a trade.
That's too many.
Happening today, right? So, doing my best to kind of navigate as best as I can.
Started off $1, then I lost 196, then I lost
my entries and exits
115. So I was already down 300 on the day. That's always fun.
Some people
then I got pretty much got it back. Now I was positive. Then I gave back the positive. Then I went negative again.
Just follow the money and knock me out of the tournament, right?
All right, so let's see these trade times real quick.
I want you to beat me fair and square.
11:08 at 390.
See your entries and exits, so why am I going to show you mine? That makes any sense, guys.
11:08 at 390.
How many outlaws are left? Yeah, as of
so that one wasn't too bad.
PW, it was 7.
It was a little late, but I see why I did it. Kind of got back above that area. 390. What was that? It was a 10-minute trade. That's why I'm trying to look at it. 390 to 394. What time was that?
KD or anyone in the chat.
I got out at 11:19. So this is the one I took it up right here. I got in at 11.
Likely, if you pass it right now, within 5 to 10 minutes, you can hit refresh on the dashboard.
I got in at 11:08. This is the 10-minute trade right here. This is what I'm talking about. These are fucking me up. I got in at 11:08. So I wasn't really the best entry, 380. Actually, I got 390. Fuck me. Holy, that was terrible.
How do I get the free?
Okay, and it was at the end of the candle, so that's always fun. Pretty much the close of this candle. And we ride this up. I don't know why we don't have our stop here at 36. I think we had it at 40s. Yeah. We let this come all the way back. It was up 440. We let it come all the way back to 394 up in this area.
Giving away lucid accounts at 11:38.
Then it was just a fucking shit show after that. Like after that one, because it was cool before that. I was taking little small losses. But after I didn't take my profit on this one, oh, the rest of this was ass. This is when the crash out happened. Because if I would have took profit on that, I ain't like what 390. So I got in right here. I took $25 on this trade, so pretty much break even on the trade, and then we caught a pretty decent move here. So that was ass. This one was 9 seconds, so I know how that was terrible. This was a minute 30. This is, look at this one, 11 minutes. 11 minutes entry time. 11:31 at 4:14. 11:31. 4:14. 11:31. 4:14. Okay, what am I doing with this? Okay, I got long on this candle here, which, I mean, kind of chasing, not gonna lie. I was in this shit for 11 minutes though. When did I get out? 11 minutes, 11:42. 11:42. Okay, I got out right here on this candle at 389. So like pretty much right here. Wow, I'm coming out. That one is what it is, to be honest. As I said, a lot of this shit right here was just, I was just getting chopped up, to be honest. I was still, like, this was long. I only had, okay, let's check that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I made money on that 5. Okay, so how many seats? Okay. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's 4, 5, 6. So out of 24 trades, only 6 was short.
How do we enter at 12:20? I know, that's why I didn't reply.
So I'm really okay with that. I'm really okay with that. I'm really okay with that.
I can't,
Because obviously looking at some of this shit, some of it do look like we could have been short. Got a double top here, got a lower high, then we come up to the VWAP and rejection. Could have got somebody in, probably got me in. So but for the most part, I'm glad that it's not 24 trades, 12 and 12. That would have been terrible. That would have been terrible. That would have been terrible. 12 longs, 12 shorts. That would have been terrible. But I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's gonna be more giveaways this afternoon.
6, 7. Okay, really 7. And I made money on.
I'll be looking at the chat.
I made money on one of them, which was.
While we have Brett Summer here, so.
The short was 10-13 entry. Okay. Okay, over here. I like that. This was the best short opportunity over here. It shouldn't have been too many after this. I don't think it was, to be honest. I think it was after this one. I probably only shorted like 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. All right, so entry price 483 at 1013. Oh shit. All the way the fuck over there. Oh shit. Nice one. Nice one. 483. Pretty much a wick rejection off this candle here. I like that. 483 down to 445. Too easy.
So you'll see them here. They're going to be
too easy. Beautiful. That was
If
Butte.
you're new to the channel, guys,
And we had another one
just
right here.
kinda
I'm
navigate your
almost
way
certain I
through,
didn't catch that one.
the stream. So yeah, if you hit the
Nah, I didn't catch that one. I didn't catch that one.
button,
But it's
you
cool
get a
though. It's cool though
notification
because this
button,
was
make
low
sure
key
you're
against the. I ain't gonna say it was against the trend.
and you'll kind
I
of
kind of had a bias here that we was probably going to back towards the VWAP. We were so far.
This is for
We were so far at the top. Where the damn arrow at? Oh, here we go. We were so far away from the VWAP up here. Like this was 30,520 and the VWAP was down like 200 points. So that was kind of like just pretty much a move back down to the V. I think that's why I didn't end up taking this one because I'm trying to get set up back for long positions now that we done made it back down here. But
because we had more accounts to give away.
Yeah, man. Let's see.
CEO uptraded by that's gonna be here. So you gotta love it. Well, congrats to the winners.
So yeah, man. Like I said, man, my trade times was ass today. My best one was my last one. Obviously, it was 8 minutes long. I got 11-minute one right here that I lost 148 on. A lot of this shit, 4 minutes, 1 minute. I got a 10-minute right here that I was talking about 42 seconds, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. If I lose, it's probably gonna be fast, which is fine. I want to lose fast. Go ahead and get me the fuck up out of there. I know I was around 45 seconds, 43 seconds.
So yeah, if you didn't win now, guys, you got to reapply for this afternoon, right, for the afternoon stream.
So yeah, bro. Like I said, 24 goddamn trades. But we green. We're green.
How do you apply? Onlypropfirms.com/giveaways. You will see the link.
Yeah, bro. I think we're gonna be done for sure. Just going over a little bit of that because it was nasty. It was definitely not the best information given to us today. But we closed it out green, bro. We closed it out green. It is what it is. Hopefully next week gives us a little bit better price action, you know. Hopefully we get a little bit better price action. We can hold our trades longer. And get this payout, man. Get this payout next week. We should be right on par. I think I don't know what our weekly profit is this week, but I'm almost certain we're green this week. Pretty sure we're green this week. Almost up about 2,000. So about $1,000 more to go here. And
somebody's saying they can't see the names.
It's going, bro. It's going. It's just gotta keep the
if you can't see the names,
keep your stops tight, man. Keep your stops tight.
Because you're probably delayed.
And hold a little winner, man. Hold a little winner sometime, man.
So I know for a fact.
It's hard as hell. It was hard as hell to do today, though. It's hard as hell to do today, but it is what it is. Green. We're gonna come back next week, and gonna come back next week, man, and let's do this again, yeah. I only need about, like I said, about $1,200, $1,100, $1,200. So, we should be able to complete this next week here if we get some decent moves. Weekly was hella strong this week. Do we get like a engulfing candle next week, you know? Do we get an engulfing next week?
Morning, guys. I don't know. Maybe I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, guys.
Daily doesn't look that good as of right now, but we can definitely get that back. So yeah, man, we'll see y'all next week, man. Yep.